What is that? What is that thing?
That's a hose clamp. That's hose clamp.
Good job. What? It's for that dishwasher. Well, that's the old dishwasher. Where's the new dishwasher? Right.
Thanks for the massage, Nathan.
Really, it's funny if you weren't doing plumbing. Mommy. Yes, funny. Yep, that's the dish soap. All right, that's enough. Woo, that's enough. Are you washing the dishes? What's on that dish? Soap.
Oh, and there's a brown thing right here.
Yep.
Show them the dead bug.
Where? What dead bug?
The giant dead bug.
It's enormous. It's like this big. Oh, is it?
Nice.
Where?
How big is it?
About that big.
Oh, okay.
Where is it?
No, we.
Basil's looking for it.
It's about that big.
Okay, I'll zoom in.
Mussels.
It's kind of like bubble wrap.
That's exactly what it is.
Didn't I say?
It's a bubble wrap.
No,
It's like bubble wrap.
No.
Hey, Nathan.
Peace. What do you think? Daddy's gonna go in and pick out all the seeds and stuff.
No, it shouldn't be that bad. He vacuumed it the other day.
Not cold.
Not cold wise. I'm referring to stuff on the bottom. Oh boy. Oh. I started watching that.
Not as bad as it can be.
Whee!
Darn, should have gotten his face.
Is it cold, Nathan?
Wait.
No, you know what? We haven't bought swimming. He has a life jacket.
Wow.
Oh wow! Oh!
Don't worry, Daddy's got you.
And that's why you need a life jacket. Yeah. Well, he doesn't look happy now.
Terrified, Matt.
We'd like you to clap and sing and dance along too. Well, let's get ready to
Whoa.
have fun, 'cause our friends will dance with you. Here comes Henry, dancing with a twirl. Here comes Henry, from his underworld. Here comes Captain, teaching everyone.
It is like less than 500.
You're in a lazy river. Left off the critter.
So Nathan, you have fun camping? Yeah.
Okay, this is your ending thing.
So what'd you have to eat on the
Okay,
trip?
ready? You're cold?
Mommy hit the dollar bins at Target. We love the dollar bins at Target.
Oh, cold.
Everything you could ever not know you needed and really needed.
So you're saying my present cost $1?
Yeah.
Thank you for my present, honey.
You're welcome.
Football. I like the football ball. I like football.
Okay, walk. No running by the pool. Walk.
I think football.
Oh, you okay? Throw it in. Wow, almost. Oh, you almost made it. No, honey. Hey, you got it in. Oh, buddy. Oh, it's cold.
Say hi, mommy.
Am I me?
Hi, Nathan.
Say I'm swimming.
I did.
Awesome. Let me see.
Here you go, Nathan.